In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine PDFs into one using the updated interface of Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're organizing documents for a presentation, consolidating reports for easier access, or simply trying to reduce clutter on your digital workspace, knowing how to merge PDF files effectively can be a game changer. First, let's open up Adobe Acrobat. Once you have it running, head over to the All Tools tab. This is your one-stop shop for a variety of functions that Adobe provides. You'll find a multitude of features here, but our focus today is specifically on combining files. So, what you want to do is locate and click on the Combine Files option. This will be your gateway to merging multiple PDFs into a single coherent document. With that done, the next step is to add the files you wish to combine. Look for the Add Files button. Clicking this will open a dialog box, allowing you to browse through your computer files. Here, you can select multiple PDFs by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each desired file. Make sure you've selected the right documents, and don't forget the order in which you select them, as Adobe Acrobat will arrange them in this sequence in your final combined PDF. Once you've selected all the files you want, take a look at the upper right corner of the interface. You'll see an option labeled Combine. A simple click on this button will merge your selected files into a single PDF. Adobe will take care of bringing everything together seamlessly. The process might take a few seconds, depending on the number and size of the files you've selected, but rest assured your new document will be ready shortly. Now, after combining your files, there's one last crucial step to wrap up the process: saving your newly combined PDF document. Look for the Save icon. It's usually pretty intuitive to find. Click on it and you will be prompted to choose a location on your computer where you want to save this new document. Pick a folder that makes sense for easy access later on, and give your file a meaningful name. This ensures that you or anyone else looking for this document can find it without hassle. And there you have it. You've successfully combined multiple PDF files into one cohesive document using Adobe Acrobat's updated interface. This straightforward process is not only quick but also efficient, making your document handling much simpler. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to check out other features in Adobe Acrobat. You might discover more tools that can optimize how you manage your documents.